Hey guys, it's Vlogmas day 2. So today's plan is that me and my whole family, we're all gonna go shop for Christmas ornaments, Christmas decorations, anything Christmassy basically. And that is the plan. I don't know what's gonna happen next, but that is what's happening. And before I go, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, and comment down below if you're enjoying my Vlogmases. Yeah, okay.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Blitzen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus.
Hi, Santa.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane.
Papa, it's reaching to your plate.
This stick is not even.
Okay, thank you. So guys, we are right now in IKEA. My sister's there. And we're in IKEA just to check for some things. And I'm really bad in vlogging in front of a lot of people. It's so like I don't like it. Like everyone's looking at you and you feel like
They're just like,
you feel so shy and I don't know what. But I'm trying to find places where there's not a lot of people, because this is so, I don't know. Anyways, Christmas vibes. Christmas vibes, Christmas vibes. Christmas. I need to find Christmassy tissues. Pink.
This is nice down. But I like
But our living room is not.
Charlotte, I'm holding baby today. And I'm holding Husky Joy today.
Estera, come here.
Hello. Hi. Hello.
Guys, my legs are killing me. I'm so tired. I hate IKEA shopping. I'm so tired.
I'm so tired. My neck.
I swear IKEA shopping is so tiring. I am so tired. We just got back. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. So I'm gonna end the vlog right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this Vlogmas, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, comment down below your thoughts on this video, on this Vlogmas I mean. And yeah, see you guys in my next Vlogmas. Bye bye. Mwah.